Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the S7 edge off and removing the SIM and micro SD tray so nothing shorts. Use controlled heat along the lower edge, about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, to soften the glue. This reduces cracking. Once warm, apply a suction cup and slide a thin pick under the rear glass, then work a consistent gap around the edge. You want to expose the interior without stressing the fingerprint cable. Go slow and keep the phone warm to prevent adhesive resetting. Once the midframe is accessible, remove the visible screws and lift it while observing ribbon connectors so you don't tear them. Disconnect the battery first to avoid shorts. This is crucial for safety and component integrity. Locate and unclip the power button flex cable from the motherboard, then remove the faulty assembly. Install the new power button module by aligning its clips and pressing gently until it snaps into place, making sure the ribbon lies flat and not pinched under other parts. After the new button is seated, reconnect the battery and temporarily power on to test the button's responsiveness. This prevents having to reopen the phone later. Once confirmed, power off, reinstall the midframe and tighten screws to specified torque, then apply fresh adhesive tape around the rear perimeter and press the rear glass down evenly. If the button doesn't work, make sure to reseat the flex cable, inspect connector pins for debris or damage, and try a known good module before final sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.